It is time for some coffee. It is time for some IHOP coffee. And I'm going to put it in my little Be Blessed coffee cup. And I'm going to make a 10 ounce. So while that is running, I am going to run my dishwasher. I did not run it last night, so let's do that now. Things that I love about it is this top rack, and you can put all small things in here that you don't want to lose into the dishwasher. So I already have the dishwasher soap in there, so I'm going to just do 1 hour start, and then it's going to count down, and then I just push it shut, and it's super quiet too. The coffee machine is louder than my dishwasher. When we first moved into this house, all my appliances were white. I had a white refrigerator, I had a white stove, I even had a white Keurig. And when my microwave broke, when this microwave, not this one, when my microwave that was here broke, we did stainless steel. You see my wreath? Look how happy that is, it's pink. Okay, so we changed it to stainless steel, and then we did my oven to stainless steel, and then my refrigerator to stainless steel along with my dishwasher and my coffee machine. It was a process. We didn't change everything all at once, but it was a fun process. I really enjoyed picking out these appliances back when we did. Okay, here is a weather check. It is noon and it is 76 degrees. Look how green my trees are getting. They are gonna look so beautiful. They're already beautiful. They're gonna look even more beautiful. And all the birds. I have a new birdhouse to hang up. I have to figure out where I wanna hang it up. I kinda wanna hang it up where I can see it out my kitchen window, so when I'm doing dishes, I can watch the birds. But it's a beautiful day. It's a little humid, and I love it humid. Oh, how I love it humid. It's like a warm blanket. And this is my garden sage. I'm gonna make new tags. I'm gonna make cute little tags. And also I'm going to make a label out of my Cricut. I'm going to make some thieves cleaner, and I have a new bottle to put it in. I like the amber rather than the blue, so I'm gonna make a thieves label. I'm just so in love with that company, really am. Really, really love it. And this little mint survived the entire winter, so I'll make a label for that. And my lavender also, this lavender survived. And then my peppermint, I'll make labels. I'm gonna make cute little labels for all of these. And my green pepper that snuck into my cart. You were meant to be. And this is my Japanese maple, and you can see this from my kitchen window. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is the most beautiful tree I've ever seen. So it's time to replace the paper towel. This was the dish that I used to make those cookie brownies with, and these are so nice. They clean up so perfect. They are those, what are they called? I can't remember. Corningware. I have a few pieces of this, and you can find Corningware even in thrift stores. If you find it in thrift stores, I would grab it. They clean up so nice, and they don't, things don't stick to them as they do other pans. The only advice I give about using things like this is if you're gonna put something cold, like something out of the refrigerator or freezer in here and pop it in the oven, make sure that the oven is not hot. Make sure that the oven heats with the dish, because I had put something frozen in a glass dish one time years ago, many years ago. I was a new wife and mother, and I put something super cold in a really hot oven, and the glass just broke. And that was a lesson learned. So don't ever put something super cold in a hot oven. If it's glass, if it's a metal. That's why, like the chicken, you can marinate the chicken in the refrigerator in the metal pan and then just put it in the oven, in the heated oven. That's fine. But if it's glass, be very careful. And I'll show you, these are the chocolate chip brownies, and they are being eaten. They are one of my family's favorites because I think they're not as heavy as just chocolate brownies. These are so good. So you need to make these. My tip of the day, make these. They'll make you happy. I'm gonna take these curtains off. These are in my bedroom, and I'm going to wash them and freshen them up. I tried vacuuming them, you know, and it was not getting the dust off. So it's time. I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine. I have 3 windows, so I have 3 curtains, and I'm gonna freshen them up and see how they come. My curtains are almost done. They are in the dryer drying, and I'm excited to put them up and for them to be clean and fresh. These green peppers got overlooked in my refrigerator, so I am going to cut them up and put them in a container. That way they'll get eaten, and that is what I'm going to do now. So depending on how much I get, I'm either going to put them in this container or this container. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure how much. I try and eyeball it, but I'm not always good. So we'll see. So which one do you think? Do you think the 3 peppers cut up will fill this one or this one? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just kidding. Okay, so the green peppers fit in this container. And if you chose this container, you are the winner. And so it's getting later in the day, so I am going to have to start thinking about dinner. How about you? What are you making for dinner today? Let me know. Leave me what you're making for dinner today down below in the comments. I would love to hear about them. I made this cucumber and tomato salad to go with dinner tonight, and it's just cucumbers, tomatoes, and I minced some fresh garlic in there, and I used my new, garlic paper peel taker offer. And then I put some oil and vinegar in here with some pepper, and you can salt it yourself. I try and not salt anything. I let everyone kind of salt their own food. But this is the simple cucumber tomato salad that I make a lot, and everybody loves it. And you can also, instead of using red wine vinegar and oil, you can also use Italian dressing if you prefer. Oh, and you can also add some red onion, which I think I might. I might do that and make it a little bit more colorful. I'm back, and I added some red onion, and so now this will sit and marinate until dinner's ready. Okay, so I just finished outside. I was replanting some plants and playing in the dirt, and it felt so good because the sun was warm on my shoulders. And now I came in and I emptied out the dishwasher. Remember, I had ran it earlier today. And now I'm going to make some mashed potatoes because they are done cooking. I have veered away from my mini plan, and I made some meatloaf and mashed potatoes and a cucumber and tomato salad, and I'm going to make some seasoned broccoli and cauliflower, and it's going to be a really great dinner. But sometimes I veer away from my menu plan, and that's okay. It's just a plan. It's not cemented in, Anyway, so I cleared out my dishwasher. Oh, and my curtains have finished drying, and I hung those back up in my bedroom, and they look so nice and clean. And that's my microwave. I just reheated my coffee, and so I'm going to do my dinner. Here are the mashed potatoes, and a little tip: after you're done mashing them, if you use like a potato masher or even like a mixer, rinse it off immediately when you're done. That way the potatoes rinse off really easy and you don't have to scrub them, because sometimes potatoes tend to stick to your utensils. And if you rinse it off immediately after you're done with it, they're very easy to clean. And so I'm going to do that when I finish this, and then I want to show you, this is my meatloaf in the oven right now. It's a little meatloaf, but it's stuffed in the center with cheese. So when you cut into it, the cheese is just going to melt out of it. And I'm thinking I'm going to make a white gravy to put over the mashed potatoes. So this is what I've got so far. I've got my meatloaf, it's almost done. My potatoes are done. I'm gonna make a little white gravy, a little like white pepper gravy, and I have some broccoli and cauliflower I'm going to roast real quick, and I made a cucumber and tomato salad, and we're good. We're doing good. And I don't know if I'm going to vlog anymore after this. I might do a quick to show you what dinner looks like, but if not, I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you have a most excellent day. I'm having a lot of fun, and happy Thursday, and happy evening, happy morning, whenever you see this. Say hey, I love to interact. And if you have a link to your channel, let me know, and I will definitely come and see you. I always love to watch other people's vlogs.